Hello, my name is Rimandas, I am yoga teacher, and today I'm going to show you how to play and sing mantra Tumi Bhaja Re Mana. At first I will play it and sing it, and then we will learn the chords. Let's start. Tumi Bhaja Re Mana, Tumi Japa Re Mana, Om Sri Ram Jaya Ram, Japa Re Mana, Tumi Bhaja Re Mana, Tumi Japa Re Mana, Om Sri Ram Jaya Ram, Japa Re Mana. So this is basically the whole melody. There is first part of the melody and there is second part of the melody. I'm playing this mantra from third capo, and actually the meaning of mantra is mind, repeat name of divine, repeat name of the God all the time. Okay, so let's start from the chords. First part, first chord is AM. Tumi Bhaja Re Mana, Tumi Bhaja Re Mana. Second chord F. Tumi Japa Re Mana, Tumi Japa Re Mana. The next chord is G. Om Sri Ram Jaya Ram. Next chord AM, G, AM, Japa Re Mana. The second part, Tumi, we keep playing AM, Tumi Bhaja Re Man, and we're going to DM, Mana. Tumi Japa Re Ma, we are going to AM, Mana. Om, we are going to E, Shri, Om Shri Ram Jaya Ram. And then F and AM, Japa Re Mana. So basically that's all. I'm playing this mantra from third capo. You can play it on fifth capo if you want. The melody will be a little bit higher. If you will play it without capo, melody will be a little bit, it will be quite low. Tumi Bhaja Re Mana, Tumi Bhaja Re Mana, Tumi Japa Re Mana, and so on. What makes capo? It makes the melody a little bit higher or a little bit lower. I think that's all. With the right hand you can play it like, you can play like just simply, like down and down, up and down, or you can play like with the fingers. Tumi Bhaja Re Mana, Tumi Japa Re Mana, Om Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Japa Re Mana. Yes, it's quite beautiful, and what I'm doing, I'm with first 4 fingers, I'm taking 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th string, and then make some corrections like on the some chords, like on the 1st, then 3rd, 4th and 5th. Yes, but basically you can use also, you can play with the fingers. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.